got a reel you are not ready to delete but don't want on display? Don't worry. I'll show you how to archive it under 2 minutes so only you can see it. Let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to archive reels on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, let's do the basic step by opening the Instagram app on your screen. Ready? Let's keep moving. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This is your personal hub where all the magic starts. Next, you will want to select the reel icon. Scroll through your reel section. Found the one you are ready to hide? Perfect. Tap on it in order to open it. Look for those 3 little dots in the bottom right corner of your reel. Tap them. In the menu, select Delete and Copy to Drafts. It's like putting it in a secret storage. However, no one but you can see it now. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Delete and Copy reel. So this was the quick procedure of how to archive reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.